Now, while you are waiting for your classmates to finish making their color wheel, I want you to move on a little bit and I want you to start getting prepared for the actual project that we're going to be making. We are going to be making a project that is a painting using all 12 colors on the color wheel. And I'm going to show you a picture right now, a picture of some glass bottles that are overlapping. And I want you to keep this idea in your mind because this is what our painting is going to be. So, what you can be doing while you're waiting for the rest of the class to finish their Nearpod assessment and painting their primary colors and their secondary colors, before we move on to learning about the 6 intermediate colors, is you can start preparing the pieces that you're going to need for your bottles project. You are going to need to create some tracers so that you can trace those bottles onto your paper so that you have somewhere to paint the 12 colors of the color wheel. So stay tuned and I will walk you through how to make some bottles. For this project, you are going to need 7 vases. You are going to be representing all 12 colors of the color wheel, primary, secondary, and intermediate colors. And for that to happen correctly, you need 7 vases. Now, I don't think that we have time to create 7 vases, so I'm going to let you make 4 vases, and then I'm going to let you borrow the rest from your neighbors. So as you can see here, I have different sizes of paper for you to use, and you will need to make 4 vases that are all a different size. You can make them very tall, all the way down to very short. You are going to make 4. I also have a paper full of vase shape ideas that you can use. Now, there is 2 very important rules when you are making a vase. Whatever paper you choose, I'm going to choose this one, your vase has to start at the top and go to the bottom, and it has to be as wide or as fat as this paper is. So looking off of this, I'm going to look for some ideas. I think I like that guy right there. So I know that I have to start at the top with the top of the vase and make my vase full size. So I'll make the top, I'll make that long skinny part which is called the neck, and then these parts are the shoulders. You'll notice I go all the way to the side of the paper. As wide as this paper is tells me how wide my vase should be. How tall this paper is tells me how tall my vase should be. You should make vases that are different sizes, so don't make them all the same size paper. So I'll get another piece here and I'll do another different shape. Again, all the way at the top, all the way to the bottom. And of course, most vases that we see in real life are symmetrical. So try to get your vase the same on the left as it is on the right. Some of the vases on this paper, you'll notice, are asymmetrical, and that's fine too, especially that one. And some of them have handles. And if you really want to draw handles, you can, but you are going to be cutting out these vases, and handles can sometimes get a little tricky. So here I have created on paper 4 different vases, all different sizes. All of my vases are the entire height of the paper, and at some point my vase fills the width of the paper as well. Now, when you have all 4 of your vases done, drawn on the paper, please make sure you have your name on each bottle. And once your name is on there, then you're going to just spend a few minutes and cut out these bottles or vases. Do a good job because someone else is going to be borrowing this from you for their project. So stay in control, cut on the line. You know the drill.